Hey guys, welcome into Kirkpatrick Woodshop. My name is Mac. I'm going to do a quick review of this Hitachi miter saw. I got it about a year ago. I put it through the ringer and I've been really impressed with it. So I'll go over a few quick things with it that I enjoy and one small modification I made and hopefully this review will help you if you're looking at buying one of these miter saws. So here we go. So, like most miter saws nowadays, it's got the quick adjustment for 0, 15, 22 and a half, 30, and 45. Really simple. Has a miter gauge or a miter tab right here. That's the lock position. That's the locking mechanism. Press the button in, and you can swing it to anything, and you hear it click. Lock it in, it's not going anywhere. Unlock, and you can stop at all of the quick adjustments right here. Really easy to read. All of the numbers are big and bold. Really happy with that. So with this miter saw, it does have a laser and a light. Those buttons are right here on top. You can turn on the LED, you can turn off the light. There's also adjustments right here. Right there is how you can adjust the laser to make sure that it's even with your blade and making accurate cuts. And then here's what it looks like down on a piece of wood. This is a dual bevel and miter, sliding miter saw. I've cut up to 10-inch wide boards through it, really accurate. And I've cut a lot of trim with it right out of the box. I mean, it is right on, no issues there. I know a lot of people have talked about not liking that it kind of has a rev up to it. It doesn't start wide open. It doesn't seem to bother me. It takes an extra second or so for it to get up to full speed. I really don't see any issue with that. I think if anything, it helps produce longevity of the saw. It's not so hard on the motor. I'm looking at. All right, guys. So here's one thing that I think is kind of undervalued. For me, I have a small shop. I do some handyman stuff on the side. I don't have a truck. So for me to be able to put this in the trunk of my car is vital. And for me to be able to store it in my garage and not take up that much room, that's also very important. So what's really neat about this saw is that it actually goes to 60 degrees to the right. So I can fold it really flat. The saw maybe weighs 30 pounds. As you can see, I mean, it's a low profile. Once it's all locked down, it really takes up almost no room, and it's easy to move around. All right, so some of you guys might be wondering too why there's a hose attached to the back. I'll add a link in the description, but this is a modification I made. I added this rubber gasket to the back port on this miter saw to increase the dust collection. Really simple. I have a video for that and I'll add that. I'll put a link for that, but helps getting the dust. I mean, it's not 100%. I would say that might be a knock on this saw, is it could be better, but honestly, adding that hose and having the shop vac hooked up to it, it's made a big difference for me. And so it's, for the price of this saw, you can't beat it. All right, so lastly, I'll give you a little sample of the rev up, and I'll cut some. I'll make a couple cuts for you so you can see how this saw does. But it's a very high quality saw for the price. Really can't beat it. I've been extremely happy with it, and I have no complaints whatsoever. As you can see, very clean cut. The blade on this that came with it has been just great. You know, it's done a lot of cutting, still cuts very clean, no tear out. Been super happy. Alright guys, so that's my review. Hope you got something from it. I've been very pleased with this saw. You know, if you're looking at buying this Hitachi saw, I really don't think you'll be disappointed at all with it. Have no issues to speak of, and you know, I would recommend adding that gasket to the back and improving the dust collection. It's helped a lot, and you know, I hope you guys enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Again, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. This is Kirkpatrick Woodshop, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks.